Creating a shipping label in Ordoro is quick and easy. Let's walk through the steps to ensure your packages are ready to go. To create a shipping label, start by selecting the checkbox next to the order you want to ship. In the shipping panel on the right, confirm that the carrier, weight, dimensions, and shipping configurations are correct. Be sure to double-check each detail to avoid errors during shipping. If you need to make changes, update the information directly in the panel. Once the shipping details are finalized, click Create Label. This will generate the label. Next, choose your printing preferences. Add your logo to the label if you'd like to customize it. Decide whether to include the pick and packing slip with the label. Select your print size, either thermal or 8.5 by 11 desktop. Ordoro will create a PDF of your label. Open the file, print it, and attach it to your package. And just like that, your label is ready and your order is set for shipping. Simplify your fulfillment process with Ordoro.